Starting around 08 November 2023, Jasmy coin essentially is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.08% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Jasmy fundamentally has an especially all-out market cap of $211,881,538, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,906,135, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This most certainly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, extremely positioning at 154 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin fundamentally be worth in 2023, which basically is genuinely huge. Is Jasmy coin an excellent speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely large manner? Will Jasmy cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking high, which sort of is genuinely huge? These essentially are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.005, the normal really least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be $0.004 in a truly significant manner. Besides, Jasmy can sort of arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.005, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, or so they really thought. While the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.004, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.004, with a for the most part least cost of around $0.004, or so they in a real sense thought. Discussing the for the most part normal value, Jasmy can in a real sense stretch around $0.004 for September, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Jasmy coin could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.005 in an unpretentious way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 especially is $0.004 with a typical cost of $0.004, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin truly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at least value worth of $0.004 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Jasmy cost could essentially arrive at in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.005, with the kind of typical cost around $0.004, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin truly is by and large anticipated to generally reach at a for the most part least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, so Jasmy coin value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the really greatest cost for Jasmy coin could fundamentally stretch around $0.005, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The Jasmy cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, exhibiting that Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the very greatest cost for Jasmy coin could generally stretch around $0.005, which especially is very huge. Jasmy coin in every practical sense, past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been truly diminished by 0.51% in its especially current worth in a fundamentally enormous manner. Assuming that we certainly look at the sort of current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Jasmy basically was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.92%. Pretty further appearance how Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin truly is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.004. Jasmy coin generally has shown areas of strength for essentially potential of late, and this could be very great chance to dive right in and most certainly put resources into a kind of significant way fundamentally. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy generally diminished by 37.263%, taking out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth, which basically shows that from genuinely most recent 7 days, the Jasmy for the most part was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.92%, genuinely further appearance how Jasmy value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Jasmy coin certainly is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.004, or so they thought. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be in every practical sense great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for truly fast venture. Certainly further appearance how while the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.004, or so they most certainly thought. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 17.90%. And the value sort of flowed from a certainly least sort of typical cost of $0.005 to pretty greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0.005 in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting that Jasmy coin for the most part has shown exceptionally in every practical sense. Solid pretty potential of late, and this could be essentially great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, or so they generally thought. In all things considered, most recent 4 months Jasmy coin in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which is genuinely huge. Hence, we most certainly feel that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period, showing how this unexpected down implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a very decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for in every practical sense, speedy speculation. By and large further appearance how while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.004, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin by and large is expanded from 4 months in a really significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing the way that Jasmy generally has a very complete market cap of $211,881,538, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,906,135, which truly is genuinely